Officers responded to a report of a domestic dispute involving two roommates who had gotten into a physical altercation.
Hey, boss. Albuquerque Police Department.
What's going on, man?
What's going on tonight, man? You doing all right? Can I have a seat over there for us?
Oh, shoot.
We can talk about what's going on tonight?
Hey, you, for me?
For you?
What's your name, man?
What apartment did you
Wait.
Hold on.
Wait.
What apartment did you just come out of?
Wait. For me, for real?
Hold on. That's
Y'all
my question.
joking, right?
Hold on, I'm trying to figure it out, right?
Okay.
I'm Officer Cordova.
Can I sit right here?
Yes, please.
Okay.
I appreciate it.
I'm gonna stand right here.
Just
I'm
take
gonna
a-
stand-
take a seat, dude.
No,
Dude,
yeah,
hey.
I'm gonna stand right here. Go
Answer
ahead.
my question.
Yeah,
What apartment were you just in?
over there. In that direction of apartments, if your apartment ain't that one, please let me go home.
What's your name?
No one's in
Hey,
trouble right now, dude. We're trying to figure out what's going on.
Bro, see, I do not like that question because I know what your question should be.
What is that?
What apartment are you from?
Okay. Well, you're
Right?
Yeah, man. What's your name, dude?
Or no?
Take a breath.
Logically.
Hey, whoa.
Logically.
Hey, whoa.
Go
Take
ahead,
a
sir.
breath.
Well, thank you,
You
sir.
cool?
Yeah.
No one's in trouble right now. We're just trying to figure out some stuff, right?
Yes, sir.
Will you please take a seat for me? You're
Over
not in
here?
trouble? Yes, that's perfect. You're not in
Can
trouble,
I
dude?
sit over there? Can you stay where you are? And I
Okay,
sit
if you
further
sit right
away?
here,
No.
I
yes.
won't come towards you. Is that cool?
You mind coming out with me? He's not here right now. Do you mind coming out and speaking with me? Is it okay if I step in?
Yeah.
Okay. So what's going on?
What was gaming?
Okay. It's alright. Take a breath. Take your time.
I heard him come up on the porch. He was slamming the gate door and cursing and yelling, and I was wondering what was going on.
Okay, dude. You take off or what?
Yeah.
Okay.
Was he what?
Yeah, that's him.
Okay, so what do you got?
So he came in, banging doors, trying to.
Yep, and then he was just kind of throwing things around. And then I came out when I heard him smack the thermostat off the wall.
Okay. Did anything physical happen?
He grabbed me and pulled on me.
He pulled on you? Which arm did he grab?
This one.
Okay. How hard did he?
Hard enough to kind of make it noticeable.
Okay. Did you try to pull you out the room? Or something?
That was the pull.
Okay, that was the pull.
I backed into it. We exchanged some words.
Okay.
He started lunging in again. I
Lunging
shut the
in like
door,
he was
locked it.
attempting to get into the room.
Yeah, I
Okay.
called when he started trying to break it down.
Okay. Did he at any time raise his hands towards you like he was going to punch you or anything like that?
Yeah. Yes.
Did you fear that he was going to actually punch you?
Yes.
Okay. Right. Do you have an ID on you?
It's in my room.
Okay. That's what I need to grab it.
Sorry.
No, you're right.
I was going to try to work on it. Okay, no, cool. So, this is a weird question. Do you know Gotti's real name? No? Okay. Is he a roommate here, or
He was crashing here for a little while till he could get on his feet.
how long ago?
How
How long has he been staying here?
lost track, maybe a month,
A month?
maybe
Okay.
more.
Here's another weird question. Is Gotti strictly your roommate, or has there been any type of relationship?
There's
Zero.
nothing.
Strictly, okay.
Strictly roommate, friend, that was it.
Okay. And you just came home super drunk?
I was at home already. I had an edible to
Okay.
help me sleep. Gaming. And that's when I heard him come up.
Okay. Was your door already closed or no? Okay. It's locked and he was trying to get in?
So he smacked the thermostat off the wall.
Okay.
I went into my doorway to see what was going on. Put his finger in my face.
Okay.
And then with his other hand went. And I just kind of.
And you were furious that he was actually going to hit you? Okay. And at that point, did you close your door?
I stood there kind of dissociated for a moment.
Okay.
And then said that I was done.
All right, Nicole. I have one last question for you.
Did you want to press charges against Gaddy?
I don't know. No,
No, you don't want to press charges.
I don't know.
So I can't make that decision for you. Okay. So what I have right now, based on what you're telling me, is Gaddy did batter you by grabbing your arm and try to pull you out of the room, and there's also assault too, because you said he raised his fist towards you and you were in fear of getting hit.
Would it be able to add, while he was trying to get through my door, he was being suggestive?
What was he saying?
That I need to go to bed because if I leave my room, his dick will be out, and that since I swing that way, that my most immediate solution would be him, so open the door while trying to break it.
So you're in fear that he was going to break in the door to sexually assault you? Okay.
Check it
You're
out.
talking to him, and
So
now
you're
you
gonna be
talk to me.
summoned. You're gonna be
Bro,
summoned for assault and battery, dude.
Bro,
Stay
no.
seated, or you're gonna,
No,
dude.
no,
try to walk
bro.
over again.
Man,
Force is
sir,
gonna be
sir,
used
sir,
against
sir,
you, bro.
I will sit right back down
Let's
if you
sit
tell
down.
me to
Sit
sit
down.
down. Bro, but you have to understand what he just did right there.
You want to talk
Can
to
he-
this officer? Sit
No.
down and you can talk to him. I'll walk away. You
Bro.
can talk to him all you want.
Bro, him? Come on.
All right, sit down, dude, and you can tell me what he
Oh
did.
my f***ing God.
Take a seat, man.
Take a seat and I'll explain what's going
No,
on.
I'm not going to take a seat. I'm not.
Hey,
I'm
don't
gonna
walk
go-
away, dude.
Sirs,
Last time I'm gonna
sirs,
tell you,
sirs, sirs. What did I do for you guys
I'm
to
trying to
hold me
explain that
right
to
now?
you.
Please do right now. Without you guys holding me.
Yeah, take a seat then. I'll explain everything to you. You keep
Dude,
walking
trying to
away,
walk
dude.
No.
That's the problem here.
Guys, what did I do? I insulted you guys?
That's not it, dude.
What did I do?
Take a seat.
Why are you
Talk
guys
about it.
following me?
Because you keep walking away, dude.
No. In terms of it, that no.
Dude, you're gonna go in cuffs now. Okay?
I was gonna go
You're
in
gonna go
cuffs.
cuffs. Turn around.
Can I go over there and not go in cuffs?
No,
Can I
you're
go over
good,
here?
Scotty.
Turn around.
Why am I going
But
in
a fight of police
cuffs?
force is going to be used against you. Put your hands behind your back, please. Appreciate it. The reason is you're in cuffs because you're highly elevated, dude. You're going hot and cold on me. Hey, stop banging your head, bro. Stop banging your head.
Who am I banging on? You?
You just hit the car, dude.
Am
We
I
don't want you to
banging
get
on
hurt.
you?
No, dude, I don't want you to get hurt. I don't want you to get hurt. That's why.
I'm not banging
Hold on, let him
you,
double lock
cousin.
these so they don't tighten up
I
on
don't
you, dude.
understand why you guys are preventing me from hurting myself right now.
Because
You guys
we
don't
want
give
you-
a about me.
Obviously, we
No,
want
you
stop
don't.
from
You
here.
don't. You
Come over
don't.
here.
No,
Come
no,
on,
you don't. No, you don't. You, brother, you literally, you, sir,
You're
you
gonna fall, dude.
most definitely don't have it, dude.
Take a seat, dude.
care about me, bro.
Take a seat, dude. You want to sit on the curb? Or you wanna sit on the
I'll
road?
go sit on the grass. Can I
Cool.
sit on the grass?
Absolutely. Let's go sit on the grass, dude.
Hey, dude, sir.
I'll go sit on. Yeah, I'll go sit on the. You guys understand that you could have said that before
We did tell
got
you.
in
You
this?
did multiple times. You don't
On my life, you did not f***ing say that! You suckers! You f***ing... What? What?
Whoa,
You said that?
bro.
No. Don't f***ing bro me, bro. I am not your f***ing cousin or your dude
I don't
or
know
your
your name.
guy,
I don't know
bro.
your name.
I'm Donnie the f***ing Don. I
Donnie?
am not your dude, bro.
Okay, Donnie.
And on your
Not on your stomach.
Wow!
I told you.
Wow,
on your
what?
side. On your side. On your side. Just roll on your side, dude.
Yeah, rolling.
Right there.
Rolling.
You're not, dude.
Rolling.
You're just turning.
I'm trying, ain't I?
Okay, let me help you.
Rolling.
See, you're turning again.
Yeah, I'm not.
You are.
I'm trying to roll, ain't I?
No, you're not.
Yeah, have that.
So you're gonna give me your everything so I can ID you, or you're gonna go to jail?
Cock!
Let's just
I
take him
don't
to the
have a
fucking car.
penis. I
Yeah, let's
am a
go.
ball-legged. You take me to cock, then.
Hey, roll over on your side so you can sit on your butt.
You gonna take me to cock? Sir,
Donnie,
you're being really mean.
We're not being mean.
No. You're being
Talk
like
while you walk, dude.
but the way that the aggression that's coming out of your forearm is not allowing me to be really nice the way that I truly am, and I
Donnie,
am
we're
a
not
nice
even
Come
guy.
on, dude, bro.
We're just
You need to take a breath.
My son
Give
is
us your
not-
name. Give us your date of birth. We got your name, right? So now you need to give us your date of birth, social security, so we can ID you. Once you ID you,
Okay.
you're going to be summoned to court,
Okay.
right?
And you won't be going to
And you
jail.
won't be going to jail. But if you
so-
don't ID right and you don't give me all of your information,
Then I go to jail.
you're going to go to jail. Do you understand?
I got you.
Are you ready to cooperate? Because this is your last chance, dude.
I got you,
I'm so
bro.
serious, bro.
Alright, bro.
Are you gonna sit up or you want to stay laying on the ground?
Bro, whatever you guys want.
I want you to sit up. I want you.
I don't f***ing care. Whatever you want, dude.
There you go. Ooh, perfect. Perfect.
Hey, Donnie.
Breathe. Take a breath, dude. Take a breath.
By the way, you didn't do what you said you was gonna do.
That's because you're squirming, dude.
Yeah.
Donnie, take a seat.
Take a seat in the back of the unit.
Why?
I have a seat in the back area.
Why?
Bro, just
Why?
sit down in the back.
Why? Why?
You just sit in the back of the unit, Donnie.
Sitting? Yes. So I sit here, right?
Yes.
I don't go nowhere, right?
No, you're
I
sitting in
don't
the
go
back of the
nowhere
car. Not right now.
So you're going to don't take me nowhere,
Sit in
right?
the back of the car. Sit in the back of the car.
Alright, I'll sit in the back.
Okay, then do it.
Do you understand that you guys didn't explain that part to me?
We've explained it multiple times.
No, you did it. You caught.
Dude, you're
You
spitting
did
at
not.
me.
You did
You
not.
spit at me again. You're catching it. Nice. Catch the car. Give me a spits up.
Got one in the back. Got him?
Yeah, I got it.
My mouth is covered up right now. I can't breathe.
Hey, do you want to press charges?
Yeah, I want to press
I
charges.
want to. You want to press charge on me?
Yeah, because you spit at me, dude.
Oh, I'm so sorry. You feel some type of way?
I sure do.
Oh.
The suspect was charged with assault, battery on an officer, battery on a household member, criminal damage to property, concealing identity, and resisting arrest. Thank you for watching today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more content.